7 Mustang coupe, still at the Wednesday night cruising in downtown Gresham. So it's got a 351 in it, very nicely detailed. Factory style wheels, but bigger, wider. It's an automatic console, lots of plaques, got a custom steering wheel. Very nice 67 Mustang coupe. I'm gonna slide around you guys.
The shit says you can't even hardly paint it anymore.
Trunk's all upholstered and spare tires covered. He's got some junk in it. It's a driver. Very nice car. One that you'd be proud to take home. Pretty color. And I like Mustang coupes. I like coupes as well as I do fastbacks.